Hi, my name is Nicolai with Pacific Sotheby's International Realty in Orange County, California. So if your home has been sitting on the market with little to no activity, you're not alone. We are seeing more sellers hit that same wall right now, and naturally the first instinct is to jump online and start searching for answers. But here's the reality. Google does not know your house, and it sure doesn't know your market. So homes are selling every single day. When one isn't, it's usually not random, it's feedback. And if you're willing to look at the feedback the right way, you can turn things around. Let's start by setting the record straight from the beginning, because currently, right now in Orange County, the average homes under $2.5 million are taking 75 days on market before they go under contract. Alternatively, the higher side of the market and homes over $6 million are taking on average of 270 days of market time before going under contract. So let's set those expectations right from the beginning. Here's the deal. In today's market, most homes that struggle to sell come down to three things. First, presentation. Buyers today are more selective. They're looking at dozens of homes side by side, and within minutes, they're comparing quality and condition, updates, and property layout, and everything in between. So if a home feels cluttered, dated, or like it needs a little work, it's getting passed over rather quickly. This doesn't mean you need a full remodel, but it does mean that basics matter. Clean, neutral, well lit, and properly marketed. Okay, second, pricing. This is the one that is the toughest to hear. What your neighbor sold for even a year or two ago does not necessarily mean that that is what your property is worth. Buyers are more sensitive to value right now. They are watching the market very closely. If a home is overpriced, it may still get the views online, but not the offers. Or worse, if it sits on market and the seller ends up chasing the market down with multiple price reductions, I call this the death by 1,000 paper cuts. So pricing it right from the start creates momentum. Pricing wrong creates hesitation. Okay, last but not least, third, access. If buyers can't easily get in to see the home, they just aren't interested. We actually have one of those listings right now, and it's really challenging. Limiting showings, requiring too much notice, or restricting availability, it all adds friction. And, well, in a market where buyers have options, even small friction can cause them just to move on to the next property. If no one walks through the door, no one's going to write an offer. So if your home isn't selling, don't default to assuming something is wrong or that the marketing just isn't working. Instead, have a real conversation. What are buyers actually responding to right now? What feedback are we getting from showings? And where are we missing the mark? Because the truth is, when you adjust the right variables, presentation, pricing, and access, you can completely change the trajectory. The bottom line here is, a home sitting on market, it is not a dead end, it's just data. And the seller who pays attention to that data and is able to adapt are the ones who get the results and end up getting sold. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and have a great day.